In this video, we'll explore essential habits that can help you lead a balanced and fulfilling life. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can enhance your physical and mental well-being, leading to a healthier and happier you. Habit 1. Nutritious eating. One of the foundational habits for a healthy lifestyle is maintaining a nutritious diet. Focus on consuming a variety of whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Limit processed foods and added sugars. Stay hydrated by drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Habit 2. Regular exercise. Regular physical activity is vital for both physical and mental well-being. Engage in activities that you enjoy, whether it's brisk walking, jogging, dancing, yoga, or any other form of exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Find ways to incorporate movement into your daily life, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a walk during your lunch break. Habit 3. Mindfulness and stress management. Practicing mindfulness can help reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and improve overall well-being. Take a few moments each day to engage in mindfulness techniques, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or simply focusing on the present moment. Incorporate stress management strategies like engaging in hobbies, spending time in nature, or practicing relaxation techniques to maintain a healthy balance. Habit 4. Quality sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for your physical and mental health. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a sleep-friendly environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and free from distractions. Prioritize sleep as a crucial part of your overall well-being. Habit 5. Engaging in hobbies and recreation. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Engaging in hobbies and recreational pursuits helps reduce stress, enhances creativity, and promotes a sense of fulfillment. Whether it's painting, gardening, playing an instrument, or any other activity you love, carve out time for it regularly. Habit 6. Connection and relationships. Nurturing meaningful connections and relationships is vital for your well-being. Make time to connect with loved ones, friends, and your community. Engage in meaningful conversations, practice active listening, and cultivate supportive relationships that provide emotional support and companionship. Incorporating these healthy lifestyle habits into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your physical and mental well-being. By nurturing your body with nutritious food, staying active, practicing mindfulness, getting quality sleep, engaging in hobbies, fostering connections, and managing stress, you can create a foundation for a healthier and more balanced life. Remember, it's the small, consistent actions that make a significant difference in the long run. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on leading a healthy and fulfilling life.